One of the reasons that we need revival is that we can be reminded that of our need for Jesus. We need Jesus in every area, in every aspect of our life. And, we as Christians, we so desperately need Jesus. We as a church, we so desperately need Jesus. Yes, this lost and dying world, they need Jesus, and they're going to die and go to hell apart from Jesus. But even we as Christians, we need Jesus. And so Jesus told the Church of Laodicea, he told them, first of all, that they were lukewarm, and he rebuked them for that. He said, I'd rather you be cold or hot than just lukewarm, and because you're lukewarm, I want to spew you out of my mouth. Well, why were they lukewarm? He said that they thought that they were rich and in need of nothing. And as far as the world was concerned, they were rich. Now, there's nothing wrong with having materialistic things, but that's what they put their faith in. That's what they put their trust in rather than Jesus. And so when they thought that they were rich and in need of nothing, that's including Jesus. And the church, especially in America today, is rich and in need of nothing. They are very much the Church of Laodicea. They think we've got everything that we need. We've got all of the right programs. We've got all of our educated pastors. We've got great buildings. We've got everything that you'd ever want, and then some. You got full staff. Whatever. We've got all of these things, and even churches that don't have all of those means, and we think we've got everything that we need right here. We've got our intellect, we've got our abilities, we've got everything that we need. Friends, if you don't have Jesus and you're not totally dependent upon Jesus, first of all, you're walking in pride, but second of all, you have absolutely nothing. Jesus said, apart from me, you could accomplish nothing. Apart from me, you can do nothing. You know what we're doing apart from Jesus? Absolutely nothing. And we need Jesus. We so desperately need Jesus. And so how often do we forsake Jesus thinking that we could do it on our own? Now, maybe we don't do that intentionally, but that's why we need revival, to be reminded of our absolute need for Jesus. We could do nothing whatsoever on our own. Jesus told the Church of Laodicea, he said, you're blind, you're wretched, you're poor, you're miserable, and you're naked. Even though they thought they were rich, they didn't have anything because they have forsaken Jesus. Would you pray today? Oh God, how desperately I need you. And if I ever get to that point, or my church ever gets to that point where we think we don't need you, draw us into repentance. Remind us every day how desperately we need you.